Hello and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things e-commerce. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money dropshipping. Niche products. One way to make money dropshipping is to focus on niche products. Niche products are items that cater to a specific audience, such as fitness enthusiasts, pet owners, or tech enthusiasts. Upselling and cross-selling. Another way to make money dropshipping is to upsell and cross-sell products. Upselling is the practice of encouraging customers to buy a more expensive version of a product, while cross-selling is the practice of suggesting complementary products. Email marketing is a way to build a relationship with customers and promote products to them. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a way to reach a larger audience by partnering with social media influencers. By finding influencers who have an audience that is interested in the products they sell, dropshippers can leverage their reach to generate sales. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.